While students and many staff members are on summer break, the Newton County Schools Facilities team is hard at work preparing for the new school year. From installing multiple new gym floors and painting at select schools to constructing high school batting cages and upgrading the HVAC system at Porterdale Elementary School, the team, led by Director of Facilities Mr. Scott Raines, has been busy with several major projects this summer.
I would say it has been a very busy summer for our facilities department. We've got multiple projects ongoing. We are working with a roof project at Mansfield Elementary, which is nearing completion. There's a little bit left to do on the gym. They'll come in and do that probably in the next week or so, but all the low slope roof and everything else is in place, and we're excited to see that project come to a close. So at 3 of our elementary schools, Mansfield, Middle Ridge, and Porterdale Elementary, we are replacing the old gym floor that's in place with a new solid epoxy poured floor. It's going to be easier to clean, it's safer for students and staff. And so this has been about a 3-week process. Our crew came through and they removed all of the existing floor, and then the contractor came through and began the process to prep and install the new floors. 2 of those are done, Middle Ridge and Porterdale, with Mansfield to be completed within the next 2 weeks.
This year's projects include the construction and installation of new batting cages at each of our 3 high schools.
We're in a near completion stage. A lot of the preliminary work has been done. We've got the new grading in place, the new slabs are poured, the new storm structures are tied into, and the footers are in place. So really now it's just a matter of waiting for the new materials to be delivered so that we can put the new structures up, and hopefully we believe everything will be buttoned up by the end of July, and our softball teams will be in there as early as August to start using that new facility. The Porterdale HVAC project has just about come to a completion. Our units arrived beginning last week, with the crane coming on Monday, and the new units were set on the roof over the course of 2 days. Our facility staff, which is 5 maintenance technicians and a facilities energy specialist, along with our coordinator, were on the roof, wiring the units, putting everything in place, and then we had a subcontractor that was doing the controls for the building automation. And so startup's already been done, and we anticipate within the next 2 weeks we'll have everything nice and cool within the building. So we have 3 schools that we're doing painting at this summer. We have Newton High School, Clements Middle School, and Newton College and Career Academy. The Career Academy has a substantial amount of sheetrock, so we're doing some prep work there and getting ready for the paint that'll come in the next 2 weeks for Clements and Newton High School. The first layer of paint is on. We just did our first inspection today for Newton High School, and we will do our second inspection tomorrow for Clements for their first layer of paint, and then the contractor will get to the second layer. But we anticipate that we'll be ready to start the school year. Our custodians are following right behind, so once the paint work is done, they're cleaning and waxing the floors, making sure that we're ready for the fall.